I broke it again. Dang. We're doing the sequentials today, but before I put it on the ST, I'm actually gonna tint it with the fog light tint from Laminex. I'm doing that just to match the fog lights on the ST. So I don't think anyone else has done this, but I think it's gonna look really good. So before we get that on, I'm gonna add the tints. And I think this will fit like perfectly on the sequential. Let's see, and I'm not sure if I need to wrap it around the sequential light. It'd probably look cleanest if I did, but I actually don't know if there's enough slack to wrap it around the sequential. So let's see how it goes. All right, that's looking pretty good. So got it lined up on the bottom side right here. Might tuck it in this way, but I think I'm gonna cut this part. But I was thinking like if I just roll it over, I might not need to cut anything actually. That would be nice if I could do that. Let's see, I might not need to cut it, but I'll see what it looks like when I install it. All right, let's go ahead and install this guy and see what it looks like. All right, there's plenty of videos on this already. So I'm gonna try to do this pretty fast, at least for the video, but for both mirrors, we need to turn it down and in as much as possible so that we can get to the clips. Using the trusty iFixit kit. Let's see what those clips are. Hope you can see that. First clip, second clip. Oh shoot, I broke the clip. Oh, it was from the stock, so that's not that big of a deal. All right, let's see what that looks like. Oh dang, that looks sick. It looks pretty good, but it looks really bad like back here. So I'm gonna see what I can do to get this as clean as possible. Not perfect. You won't be able to see the imperfection until like you see this corner. But I think the rest of it looks all right. It doesn't feel really wobbly like some of the other sequentials from the other YouTubers. I think it's because I put this this tint on mine. All right, I think that honestly looks good enough. It looks kind of bad over here, but whatever. The orange, oh man, I can't really. I'm gonna go ahead and install the sequential on the car's right side without the tint and see if it makes a difference. If it doesn't make a difference, then maybe I'll just keep the tint off because I don't want it to look bad. Oh, I broke it again. Dang. Well, I don't think I plan to use the stock ones again, but that kind of sucks that I broke both. All right, let's see how it looks. So this is without the tint. Don't really notice a difference compared to the tinted side. So let's head over there. There's the tinted side. Might be a little hard to see on video, but I don't notice a big difference in person, personally. I think I'll just install it, the Laminex tint, just for the lulz, because I bought it. And I want to use it, so I'm just gonna get it on there. Oh man, this is bad. But as long as it looks okay from the front, then the back can look as bad as it wants. I would not be a good tinter. But this is also kind of difficult surface to work on. All right, let's get this on the car. That looks bad. Right side is installed. This cap was kind of a pain to take out. But yeah, it looks great. Can't really tell with the tint. But I do notice, I think it was already kind of amber. The Laminax tint just gives it a little bit more. So, oh shoot, almost tripped. That's what it looks like. Cool if you stuck around this long. Thanks for watching. I kind of did this on a whim. A little preview for the next install. It's either gonna be the scoop or the strip bar. So that's gonna be fun.